Did you know there are planets in space where it actually rains diamonds? Yes, scientists believe that on giant gas planets like Neptune and Uranus, the pressure and temperature are so extreme that carbon gets squeezed into diamonds and then it falls through the atmosphere like rain. Imagine that here on Earth, we dig deep into mines for a few precious diamonds, but out there in space, trillions of carats are literally falling from the sky. Isn't that mind-blowing? The universe is full of wonders, and if you love discovering amazing facts like this, make sure to hit subscribe and join us for more incredible science mysteries.